and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. Our question today comes from Carla. She lives in Washington State in Zone 8B. So her question is, how do you determine which plants are heavy feeders or light feeders? Because it isn't always stated on the seed packets. So I've really never seen anyone list the plants the way that I do as light feeders and heavy feeders or givers. It's just something that I've learned by experience over the last 35 years. And the full list and how to feed the plants is in the Abundance Garden e-course. But here's a few guidelines. So legumes are givers, so only feed them low nitrogen fertilizers. Heavy feeders are the plants that make fruit in the summertime, like tomatoes and peppers and things like that. Light feeders are root crops, leafy greens, and herbs, and they don't require quite as much fertilizer. So when you're feeding with natural ingredients and not chemicals, most plants will tolerate a little overfeeding. The nutrients will be processed by the microbes, and then they will be waiting for the plants to use up the nutrients when the plants are ready. So the natural fertilizers are a really great way to go. So if you have a garden question you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. And if you would like to learn more about high performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. And this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week after week, all season long. We'll even show you what professional trellising system you can use for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you could watch it anytime. So you want to go to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you can sign up or click on the link below to get signed up. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information and submit your gardening questions so you can get the answers that you need. So until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.